Hello, this is a 2024 Nissan Altima, and if you have this problem, that when you turn on either your heat or your air conditioning, that on these main vents or the side vents, nothing is coming out whatsoever, there's a possibility that that's your blower motor. You might already have landed on this video because you might already know that your blower motor is broken. Because your blower motor, which is located typically beneath the glove compartment, is what's responsible for sending the HVAC air throughout this car. If that's the case, that you get power to your air conditioning or your heat, but then nothing comes out at all, again, it usually means that's broken. That breaks in a few typical ways. The first one, that's the low-hanging fruit way to check, is if the fuse is blown for it. Come down here to your fuse panel and remove that, and then you're going to simply look for the fuse that is labeled blower motor. So be advised, there might be multiple that are labeled as such. There could also be one called AC, but in this case, we do see right here, the second column, 3 rows up from the bottom, there is a 30A fuse. That's what blower motors usually are, a 30A for the blower motor. So what you would do is you would find that fuse in your fuse panel, pull that out and see if it's burnt out. To know if it's burnt out, you can look and see if there's char, you can see if the diode is broke in the middle. And a common mechanic hack is to simply pull another 30A fuse from somewhere else in the car. Let's see what that could be. So you could borrow this one here and plug it into the one where the blower motor was. And then if your blower motor comes back on, immediately you've then deduced that it was indeed your fuse that was broken. I'll put an affiliate link to purchase new fuses. And if that doesn't fix your blower motor, we'll have to go from there. I'll try to help you out. It could be the blower motor itself or something along the electrical system in the wiring chart to the blower motor. But if this helped you out, I'm glad, and feel free to send a super thanks. Feel free to ask additional questions.